You see those videos you just watched right now? Those videos were generated by the use of Kling 3.0 AI. Now, remember I made a video of the soon coming of this 3.0 AI, which is Kling 3.0 AI, and I told you you should stick to my channel because they are about to release a new version, which is the Kling 3.0 AI, and that version is up and running. As you can see, guys, these videos you're seeing, these are not ordinary videos. This is a banger. It's a game changer for AI video content creators. Whatever you want to do with AI, they have everything. This company called Higgsfield is a banger. If you are a creator and you're not working on this website, then I don't know what you're doing online. I don't know what you're creating. Now, instead of me creating, looking for ways to merge clips and do whatever I want to do, why don't I go to Higgsfield and use, in fact, use most of their models and create something very nice for myself, and then I'm going to increase my visibility, increase my creativity, and then massively I'm going to what? Cash out. Alright guys, now in this video, I want us to explore the Kling 3.0 AI that is just released. Alright, I want us to go right now and explore. This is live, so you can go there and explore and do whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, just go and give it a try. These videos you're seeing are massive, alright guys. But before we explore, I still want to also talk to you, for those seeing me for the very first time, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you see more of these Higgsfield and AI videos and how to make money online. And then for you that is coming to across my channel the very first time, hit on that subscribe button, hit on the like button, probably share to your creators or to your fellow friends, or probably your brother sister creator that is not using this Higgsfield. Alright, they need to know about this Higgsfield. So guys, let's go. Let me tell you a little bit about Higgsfield, then we're going to explore the Kling 3.0 AI. Alright guys, let's go. So before we go on guys, I want to tell you that I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Alright, so let's talk about Higgsfield. Higgsfield is the fastest growing gen company AI with one clear mission to be the most creator friendly platform in the world. And they are launching the 3.0, a state-of-the-art video engine powered by Kling, built specifically to live inside professional product pipelines. The Kling 3.0 is a next generation AI model that turns scripts, images, references, and audio into fully structured cinematic sequences built on a native multimodal training framework. It combines multi-shot directions, native audios, element consistency, and 15 seconds continuous generation in a single model. Wow, this is massive, guys. Now, the industry has not just started. These guys are doing a lot, all right? These guys are doing a lot. Like, you have story unfold, continuous take, characters stay consistent, and camera moves, text remain readable, and dialogue feels grounded and intentional. This is the future, guys. In short, this is the best AI model right now that you can ever think of. And I wonder why some people are not here. Check out these videos, how they are. They are very clean and very smooth. Alright, so let's dive in. Let's click on the Kling AI 3.0. Let's see how it's going to transition. Now, like I said, this 3.0, this Kling 3.0 is an updated version of the Kling 2.6. Alright, so when you click on that 3.0, the Kling 3.0, it's going to take you to this dashboard. Alright, it's going to take you to this dashboard. So when it takes you to this dashboard, what you need to do is just for you to see how you can manipulate or maneuver whatever you want to maneuver here. Okay, as you can see, I will click on that 3.0 and it took us to this place. So all you have to do is just, first of all, you add your image, you choose whatever preset you want to use. After the preset, the next thing you're going to do is just to get your video. All right, you get your video and your video comes out. It is as simple as that. All right, that is the last stage. So let's run through it now. Upload the image you want to use, right? Upload it. This is like the first frame, right? When you upload the image, then this is like the second frame, which is the last frame. You can decide to upload. So what we are trying to achieve is what is above. You can decide to just prompt it if you know how to prompt, but if you don't know how to prompt, you can just go ahead and use the preset. That is like the image, the video we are seeing upstairs, that is moving over there. So but I gave a prompt, a simple prompt. The prompt is just like, I jumped down from a helicopter putting on suit with a gun, and then I jumped down into the forest, and then from that forest I saw zombies. And when I saw those zombies, I used my gun to blow one of them, right? That is just the prompt I give. Simply, it can give to you exactly that prompt and make it look exactly the way you want it to look. Very real, very realistic, right? But we're not going to prompt because we are just trying to explore what this Kling 3.0 AI can do. All right, so this thing you're seeing, this where my angle is, where my arrow is pointing towards now, is what we call like the event. So you can add events to it, right? Whenever event you want to add, you can add it to it. So as you are typing, if you now type like art. When you type art, it will give you options to add events, and you can see we have sounds there, right? It has sound, so it can also give you sound. Ensure that you're choosing the Kling 3.0. All right, ensure that that is where you are, right? So let me scroll down a little bit and see other features it has that can really make you smile as a creator. All right, that can make you smile as a creator. So don't make an error by switching this Kling 3.0 to maybe Kling 2.6, right? It's not going to give you what you're looking for, but ensure that it's on 3.0. All right, so the goal here is for us to achieve is for us to achieve something that is very, very more than what we've not seen in the creation, in the AI creation industry, right? Now, seek the time frame. This is the one that really makes me happy. The time frame here, the duration that is, it's up to how many? 15 seconds per video. And you can have that unlimited. You can produce over and over and over and over. After this, I'm going to show you something that is going to freak you out, right? Something that is going to freak you out. Stay with me, guys. So as you can see, this is the time frame. The duration can go is 15 seconds. And look at the export, like the resolution. We have 720p. 720p. At least this is the standard for YouTube, right? If you want to use this, you can use it for YouTube. And it also have up to 1080 pixel, 1080p, right? If you check it, it also has up to 1080p. But if you are using that 1080p, your video is going to take a little while, like slow, when it's time for it to export. All right, it's going to take a little time to export. So now, before we project, I want you to see something, guys. Let me show you something. Now, as you can see now, it also has a multi stage, multi shot. Sorry, that is, you can prompt one, prompt two, prompt two. Are you getting it? So you can have first shot. This is like first shot. Now let's see how many seconds this first shot. Let me take it to 8 seconds, right? So in all general, the shots can be up to 15 seconds, like I said from the beginning. So if this first shot is giving us 8 seconds, right? Let's go to the second shot. The second shot we're going to write now. Let me explain to you when it comes to shots. Those shots has to do with, like, you want to take the camera from the back angle, want the camera to be at the front angle. So if you are good in prompting, this is where you have to prompt all your shots. One first shot, second shot, third shot, right? So the first shot took 8 seconds, second shot is taking 4 seconds. That is approximately 12 seconds. So we'll now have 3 seconds left. So the last shot, which is the third shot, is going to take 3 seconds. So in all altogether now, the shots that we're having altogether is approximately 15 seconds, right? 15 seconds. So having 15 seconds is a banger. I don't know if you get it. So unlike before, when we generate videos, AI videos like 4 seconds, 30 seconds, it's kind of boring. You have to do it multiple times for you to get to the level where you have something, something real. It's going to take a while. But for this Kling 3.0 AI, man, it's something, like I said from the beginning, it's a banger, right? It's a banger. And so definitely, when you're done with whatever you want to do here, you have the first shot, second shot, third shot. The last thing you just need to do is just to hit on the generate button. All right. When you hit on that button, then you're going to wait for it to flow. So as it is now, it's already showing you 727, should I call it credit, for it to really flow, right? I'm trying to edit the last shot, which is the third one, right? But I'm not actually going to generate this shot for you to see, because I already have some that are like pre-templates for you to see, right? So when you hit on that generate button, it's going to transition, right? It's going to transition and give to you what your prompting is. If you're good at prompting, trust me, you're going to have something very, very clean, very unique, right? You're going to like it. But if you're not good at prompting, I would advise you just stick to what is called the preset, right? So guys, like I said, it's very simple. I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up in the description and also in the comment section. Go ahead and do that. In case you really want to know more about Kling 3.0 AI, to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then also visit the link that I leave in the description for you to have access to Higgsfield videos, right? How to create it. Trust me, guys, they have so many models, to the extent that even if you don't have what it takes for you to create videos, you're going to bring out something massive. All right, guys, see you on my next video.